Hello, healthcare professionals. Are you ready to elevate your medical knowledge to new heights? I'm here to introduce an opportunity that you won't want to miss. Join us at the renowned Osler Institute for our exclusive in-person events. Mark your calendars for August 23rd through August 25th in Chicago, Illinois, for our comprehensive cytology board review. And don't forget, from September 22nd to September 28th, we're hosting the pathology board review. At Osler Institute, we pride ourselves on over 40 years of educational excellence. We cover more than 20 specialties, each led by expert faculty who are not just leaders in their fields, but also passionate educators committed to your learning. What sets our board reviews apart? Each course is meticulously designed with lectures, an e-syllabus, slide labs, and streaming access to ensure a robust and accessible learning experience, as well as ACCME accredited. Whether you're refining old skills or acquiring new knowledge, our goal is to facilitate your growth in the most efficient and effective manner possible. We also understand the value of community and collective learning. That's why we offer group discounts, making it easier for you and your colleagues to join us as a team. And with our Until You Pass guarantee, we stay committed to your continuous learning journey, providing support until you achieve your board certification. Ready to secure your spot? Visit www.osler.org to register and learn more about how you can be a part of these transformative educational experiences. Remember, space is limited, and the opportunity to enhance your expertise with Osler is just around the corner. Unlock your potential, deepen your expertise, and join a community dedicated to medical excellence. We're here to support you every step of the way. See you in Chicago.